Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing, back up important saves, and sign into PSN if using cloud storage. Then, shut the PS4 Slim down fully via the quick menu. Do not use rest mode. Make sure the power indicator is off and the system is silent. This prevents file corruption. Keep your dual shock connected with a USB cable and be ready at the front of the console. Once done, you'll move straight into the safe mode entry, so don't delay. You now enter safe mode. Press and hold the PS4 power button on the console for roughly 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This signals safe mode activation. Next, plug the dual shock into the USB port, wireless won't work here, and press the PS button to pair. The safe mode menu appears with numbered options, so take a moment to read them. If you need to rebuild the database or reinstall system software, you finish by selecting the safe mode function that matches your goal. For example, choose Rebuild Database for performance or Initialize for a factory reset. If you reinstall system software, make sure the file is in a folder named PS4/update on a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive and follow prompts exactly. If safe mode fails to appear, try another USB cable or port and power cycle the console unplugged for at least 10 minutes. If problems persist, contact Sony support or consult a repair service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.